So today we are going to see about the control statements. So last video we have seen selection statements. Now we are going to see about the iterations and jump statements. Let's go inside the topic, that is loop. So each loop has four types of statements. So first one you will have initialization, second one is condition checking, third one is execution, fourth one is increment and decrement. So usually iterations means we'll have three types, that is first one is while, second one is do while, and third one is for loop. While, do while, and for loop. So let's see one by one. What is mean by while means, if the user, that is if the user does not know how many times a block of code is going to be executed, then it goes to the while step, then we will call it as while statement. So here I am given one syntax, that is initialization, while, final value, and then you will have some body of statements, and then you will have increment and decrement. So here this is called as a while statement syntax. So here to evaluate the statements from initial value to the final value with the given increment and decrement. So I am, for this while loop I am given one small program. For example, print values from 1 to 10. That how means, for using this while condition, see here inside the main function I am given int I equal to 1, and then while I less than equal to 10. So after that, system dot out dot println, that is slash n, that is whatever values, that is I values, it should be printed, and then it should be incremented each and every time till the value gets over, that is till the value be 10. So obviously the automatically all the values will be printed, that is it will print according to 1, 2 and 10. So this is a while loop conditions. And then you will have a do while. Do while means the same as it is. First it will check the conditions, first it will proceed the part, and then it will execute the conditions. It will check the conditions, then only it will execute the program. So this is called as a do while statements. So to evaluate the statements from initial value to find value with a given increment and decrement. So this is a syntax for this do while statements. And here also I am given one small program will be there. So here I am given the inside the main function, that is int I equal to 1, int sum equal to 0, and then do, and then sum equal to sum plus 1, and then here I am incrementing the value, and then I am using the while condition, that is while I less than equal to 10. So this is the output will be like this. So the sum of 1 to 10 is the whole statement will print in the output, and then using the concatenation method that the sum value has to be printed here, that is sum. Here 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 means that is 1 plus 0 plus 1, the I value is 1, so automatically the value for sum is 1, and then it should be incremented, so automatically output will be 2. Here the sum of 1 to 10 is 2, that is the output in this program. And then you will have a for loop condition. So inside the for loop, this is the condition for this for loop: for initialization, semicolon, final value, semicolon, and then you will have a increment or decrement part. So likewise, so this is how it will be, the condition will be like this. So this is called a for loop statement, that is if the user, if the user knows how many times a block of code is going to be executing, then it moves to the for loop. That is the definition for the for loop. And this is the one simple program for loop, class for one, that is public static void main int I, for 1 that is I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and then system dot out dot println. Here you will have an example for loop. So it will print as it is, for 5 times it will be printed like that. So this is the statement, and this is the program, and this is the output for this particular conditions. And then you will have jump statements. So in this jump statement, you will have for jump 3 types will be there, that is break, continue, and return. We will see one by one. So what is the meaning for break means, so this statement is used to jump out of the loop. For example, the break statement was previously used in switch case statements. So on encountering a break statement within a loop, the execution continues with the next statement that is outside the loop. The remaining statements which are after the break and within the loop are skipped. Break statements can also be used within the label of the statements. A statement can be labeled as follows, that is statement name, some Java statements. When we use break statement along with label as break statement name. For example, see here. Here I am given as usual normal program we are using here, but I am given here break. That is if I equal to if I equal to 5. If I'm given like this means automatically the output how it will be means it will print starting from the 1, it will print all the values, that is I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4. It will break till the 5. It will print I equal to 4, that's it. It will not continue, it will not continue, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and all, it will not print in the output. So this is the specialty for this particular statement. And next one is your continue. This continue is this statement is used only within looping statements. When the continue statement is encountered, the next iteration will be starts. The remaining statements in the loop are skipped. The execution starts from the top of loop again. So here one program is there. So class continue 1. This is the main function. So inside the main function I am using the condition. So inside this main function I am using the condition here, that is continue here I am using. So see here, that is I equal to 1 and then I less than equal to 10, it is like that. So and then I plus plus. If I'm given like this means if I'm given continue means automatically if it is second line varumodu it will stop there itself and it will start printing the next line of the statement. If I equal to 2 அதை விட்டுட்டு I equal to 3 print பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிரும். So this is the specialty for this continue statement. And return is nothing but the last control statement is return. The return statement is used to explicitly return from a method, so that is it causes program control to transfer back to the caller of the method. So the return statement immediately terminates the method in which it is going to be executed. So this is the one small program is there. So if you have used the keyword called return means the keyword called return if you're going to use means automatically it will return it to the boolean. So that is a specialty for this return method.